Antibiotics are one of the most important drugs. However, some bacteria have started to develop a resistance, and we're not tackling this fast enough. Now with Eden and Claude, you can design an antimicrobial peptide within seconds, straight out of the box. Eden is a foundation model trained on DNA that all organisms have.
Eden is able to understand how evolution works. So for any given microbe, any given pathogen, it can design the antibiotic that goes against it.
Medical scientists can now access our model through Claude and start talking in natural language to design antimicrobial peptides or vaccines.
All doctors in the world will have access to these models, and they don't have to be computer scientists.
Think about it this way. If we had a model that can understand natural language, but then another model who understands the basic language of life, if you put those two together, you can get a solution or a medicine in a dramatically compressed timeline.
Eden is now available as a Claude MCP. All you have to do is connect to Claude, start uploading your patient reports, and ask Claude to generate antimicrobial peptides for the strain. Claude will then access Eden, provide you the peptide sequences and any other information that you need to know around the sequence.
There may be an outbreak of a new pathogen. Once we have that pathogen sequence, we can leverage the MCP server with Eden, ask the question, which of these genes that create proteins will create immunogenic response? It returns a report that says, yes, we have a list of candidates that are promising. These candidates, in principle, can be then taken to the lab and do further analysis to see whether or not these are perfect candidates for a vaccine.
With Claude, essentially, we're democratizing the usage of these models.
We have shown that we can build and generate novel, never-seen-before medicines that actually work.
These are not just like in silico validations, they are actually in vitro validations. So we took the antimicrobial peptides that Eden generated, tested them in vitro, and 97% of them work.
This means that we can start designing medicines that work faster.
We hope that people will start using these models to really understand what they're capable of.
This is just the beginning. We're getting more data. The models will get better.
If we can do this today, imagine what we can do in a year or even more.